Okay guys, it's done. Ready to hit the water. So I've got me cleat done, M12 bolt, M12i. Granted it's got a wire cable, but that'll get changed at a later stage. Utilised them wing nuts off the M10, got the rubber block in. Much more stable now on the trailer. All the carpet's glued down at the front. Tidied up the wiring the best I can. I didn't bother with that plastic pipe idea in the end. I thought it's just going to be tacky as well, so I just hide the wires down like that. Steering wheel's on, seats in, lockers in. I haven't bolted this in because in case I want to take it out, but it's well wedged in place, so for sitting on it will do. Like I say, storage. So that's the storage. Stuck with a little dab area, it's a bodge I know, but that will do it down there out of the way. So that's my dab area for the radio. All the controls in solid. Got my steering wheel on. I put a little red bit on there so I know where the centre line is. Phone holder. So when I listen to music, I will have to have a lead in anyway to charge the battery on the phone. So all silly, but and then can't really do a lot with the wiring, but I'll hit it. So you know, put it away the best I can. Steering cable's on now. Can someone tell me, is this normal? Brand new box. And it makes that noise. Is it meant to do that? Hopefully it's meant to do that and I'll just have to live with it. But anyway, so I put 5 screws in there. I might touch them up with paint or something, so see what cover them up. But I wanted plenty in there so it takes the weight of that bench. Seats are all bolted down now and all hoovered out and tidied up. String can go in the box, out of the way, and then like I say, my storage locker. I'll just keep my rope and the cover for the bimini in there. And you know, I need to go around and have a clean up. The dog jumped up here and got it all muddy, so I have to go around with a cloth, just wipe up a few areas. I've had a little chat with the people down the marina, and it's going to cost £85 a month to keep it at the marina on the trailer. That's not even in the water, so I don't know if that's cheap or not. It's an option. I'm not going to go for it just yet. If I do, it'll only be for the first month. See if it's a location that I like, and then that'll be it. But so you go around there, give it a good wash on the outside because it's still got sort of residue all over it from when I was flattening off the paint earlier before. I gave this side a quick polish yesterday, but now I've got to go around and get all these bits. These are like bits of filler or something, and just need to pick them off and yeah, tidy it all up. But we're happy now, boys. So yeah, I'm hoping to get it out Saturday or Sunday, depends on if work gets in the way. But I made a mistake with my carpet, I buggered it up. When I was grinding the nut down, I should have ground it so the sparks were coming this way, and I didn't. And the sparks went there and sort of melted that little patch. But hey, I'll have to live with that. Like a few other blemishes on the boat, but for now, she's ready to hit the water. So I don't know how many more updates you'll get from me on it because it's built now, but I'll probably do another little video and update once it's in the water. We're out having a bit of fun in it. Anyway, hope you've liked the build. Thanks guys, catch you on the next one.